So how did you want to improve your smile?
That's a good question. I would say I had like very prominent what you call canines, and my teeth here, the four, were definitely, it just wasn't normal. It wasn't like a normal smile. So, I mean, I'm more than pleased with how things have turned out, put it that way.
I wanted to improve my smile because I had a big gap in the front and I have always been really insecure about it and wanted to use Invisalign to close that gap.
I think the biggest thing I will say is that you can look at yourself in the mirror, but until I saw a picture when I was at a formal event and I smiled, I didn't hide my smile, I noticed wow, I could just tell by looking at the picture, it was a major difference.
What was your experience with Dr. Sadineni and team at Dublin Metro Dental?
I had a great experience with them.
I would say just very professional environment. The staff and everyone that I've worked with has been great.
So I first heard about Dr. Sadineni through my medical insurance. She was just one of the providers.
And I mean, I'm very impressed with everything that I looked up doing my research has come to fruition in the way of technology that she used, everything from getting the teeth whitened, to building out the veneers. I would just say that.
So I came in for kind of my cleaning and just to get my routine check done, and she's the first one to really notice that because my teeth were not aligned well.
I had some issues at the end with my retainers, and they kept having me come back until it was done right, and now it is, so I'm super excited about that. And
that I actually still had some plaque that I couldn't reach with just like a toothbrush. So she recommended Invisalign, and then so after hearing what it could do for me, I said, all right, I'll try it. And it's been about a year, so around 9 months, she checked it again after using Invisalign, and she said, they're still not quite there, so she said, let's just keep doing it for a few more months. And now my teeth look really great, and I feel like I haven't had any complaints from my dentist ever about plaque anymore. So every time I come in, everyone says, oh, your teeth looks great.
So after the treatment, how do you feel about your smile?
I love my smile. I'm still wearing the retainers, so I'm looking forward to a couple weeks when I can just wear those at night and really show it off completely. And I'm always looking in the mirror, taking pictures of my smile. And
so how likely are you to recommend Dr. Sadineni to your friends?
I'm very likely to recommend her and the staff here, and it was just overall just a really great experience.
Definitely, I'd recommend someone to come here, and if you're going to get cosmetic dentistry done, I think you might as well go with someone that's an expert.
And yeah, I'm pretty happy with my smile now.
So I'm just very happy.